everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your mobile number on your ClearScore account. To change your phone number on ClearScore is super easy. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser. Now go ahead and type in app.clearscore.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged into your ClearScore account, and once you are in, from the home page, click on the human icon at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, select My Account. Under My Account, click on Your Details. Click the View button right under Your Details, and this will open up your details page where you'll need to scroll down and click on the Update button right next to Mobile Number. Now enter your new mobile number you would like to change to and click on Send Code. You will now receive an authentication code sent to your new mobile number. Simply type it down in the text box, and once you do that, click on the Next button in order to change your phone number. And just like that, your new mobile phone number has been verified for ClearScore. So that is how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.